Sir?
Alright, forget about HVAC today, boys and girls, because we got some on the hook fish and chips. My goodness. Looks delicious. Went with the bacon clam chowder as well. I'm real excited about that. And this freaking root beer's off the chain. Yum. All in all, super flavorful. Crispy, flaky. Good stuff. Highly recommend.
Okay, first bite, first bite.
Sriracha mayo here in the mix. Really hot, real hot, real hot. Try out this chowder first. Really, really good. This root beer is like crack. Out at the Lowe's in Frisco, off 423 and whatever that other street is over there. Lowe's, peeking their gurus on the hook. Let's try it out.